Saif Ali Khan, a reputed actor of the country, has been rushed to a hospital in Mumbai, to the Lilavati hospital, after he was attacked with a knife. And not when he's out in public, while he's inside his house. That is why many are questioning what exactly happened. We are told that possibly it was an unidentified intruder, and the stabbing wounds have been recorded. He's currently undergoing treatment. We'll try and get more details of what exactly happened, but clearly waking up to the shocking news of how an intruder can enter into Saif Ali Khan's residence. They were told this happened at about 2 a.m. Remember, otherwise considered to be a secure, safe house, and clearly because they are one of the top celebrity film couples of this country. And at 2 a.m., which means late into the night, in an attempted robbery, this intruder entered, and possibly Saif Ali Khan managed to encounter him and stabbed the actor multiple times before managing to flee the spot. Cops are claiming the intruder entered into the house, and while the house help tried to intervene, an argument broke out. Saif Ali Khan tried to pacify the intruder. In turn, the intruder stabbed him repeatedly multiple times. There has been a scuffle reported with the attacker before the intruder fled. Saif Ali Khan's team says that there was an attempted burglary attempt at the residence. He's currently in the hospital undergoing surgery. There have been stabbing wounds that have been confirmed on Saif Ali Khan. All right, big news, an update coming in from Mumbai. Saif has suffered 6 injuries in the knife attack. This is very concerning. Remember, because this is considered to be, and we know how the couple has been open with regard to how their life has been, whether it's about the paparazzi or just with giving interviews. And at this point, what exactly happened? Because otherwise, a house likely to have been completely secure. Who managed to make an entry at 2 a.m.? And that was when a house help first, and then the actor himself managed to encounter this individual, tried to pacify the person, but there was this argument that broke out and there were stabbing wounds. We'll try and ascertain more details. We are told at least 6 wounds have been confirmed on the actor, and he's currently undergoing treatment. I want to immediately go across on the ground right now. Bhavna Agarwal and Vidya joining me from Mumbai. Bhavna, first to you, this must have sent shockwaves across the film industry. What are you picking up about the details? Any reactions have come in from the fraternity and the details of what happened?
Pooja, firstly, you are absolutely right. It has certainly sent a shockwave to the entire industry, because this is not the first attack on a Bollywood actor in the last 2 months. I mean, previously we have seen what happened with Salman, and the fact that all of this is happening in Bandra is definitely of concern, not just to the industry, but also for everyone else who look up to these stars, and also Mumbai in general, right? Like, because it is always said that Mumbai is one of the safest cities in the country. So definitely that is of concern. From the official statement that we have received from Saif's team, two or three things are certain for sure: that there was an attempted robbery at his residence. Saif got injured while trying to get into a scuffle with the robbery and try to stop that. We are not really certain as to how many cuts he has sustained, but as per reports, 6 cuts is what we are looking at, and he's currently undergoing surgery at the Lilavati hospital. From what we can also look at from the statement is that the family is safe. It is only Saif who has been injured during this scuffle. We are awaiting an official statement on his current health from the family or his representative side. It will take some time before they actually send out an official statement on his health, because the investigation is ongoing currently and the surgery is ongoing. So they are awaiting. I
understand this must be an absolutely scary situation for the family. Any statement or word yet from the team of Kareena Kapoor?
Not as yet. I was just following up before we went live, and they have asked us to wait before they can send an official statement.
Of course, understandable. Stay on with me before I go across to Vidya. Look closely on your screens. We are putting out details, and details that we can confirm. It's a sensitive development. Saif Ali Khan has been injured with knife stabbing wounds. He's currently recovering. We are told that the injuries, and I quote from what our colleagues on the ground have been sending us, while there is an operation that is going on, there is a plastic surgeon, a neurosurgeon presently inside the operation theatre, and close to the spine, and on the neck. That is where the stabbing wounds have been confirmed for the actor. There's one house help also who has been injured, and they tried to encounter this individual who managed to eventually flee the spot. I want to also bring in Vidya here. Vidya, what are the developments that you are tracking? What are the cops saying with this regard? There must be heavy deployment right now at their residence.
Well, the police certainly is there in large number, but then at this juncture, there are two aspects that are crucial. One is, of course, the investigation, trying to find out who this intruder was, and he's booked and made sure that he's booked for this entire charges that will be leveled against him for not just trespassing but attacking someone who in the middle of the night, and that too at their residence. So, of course, that aspect of investigation will be done by Mumbai Police, and apart from that, the family is after trying to make sure that the security of this area is upgraded. Mumbai Police certainly will make sure that in the next few days at least there will be a high presence of police personnel. But right now, the family too contemplating whether they should really increase the security, make sure that there are more,
So that there are
bouncers.
almost always there are people, fans, or those from the media outside their residence, and they've been quite friendly. They've been quite amicable when it comes to whether it's pictures getting clicked, interacting with people around their residence. But this is getting concerning now. It's a literal direct security threat to them and the family. Vidya, also tell me, we have news coming in, and to the viewer, I want to tell about how possibly can the intruder enter into otherwise what would be a safe and secure house? We are told there was possibly some duct, a duct that went right inside the premises of the family, where the family resides, the bedroom, and that duct in some way, a narrow passage that has been used by the intruder. Vidya, would you have some details on this?
Well, every building certainly has some or the other passages that generally can be utilized if they are not secured for, climbing up the building. That's one of the reasons why, secure assessments or to make sure that, such kind of intrusion, especially by someone who has taken, you can say that this person who had really attacked Saif Ali Khan certainly did not have very good intentions. So, someone like him, if they enter the building, if there's any possibility of preventing that intrusion, that's something that Mumbai Police certainly will be looking at. Apart from the family themselves, also trying to assess as to how this can be, the building can be secured any further. But certainly, Mumbai Police at this point is trying to first register an FIR, take down statements of people, who might have seen the intruder. Also, they're trying to make sure that the CCTV footages from that entire area is tracked down, where if they can see that person coming in or going out, where he came from, where he went, is something that the Mumbai Police will really have to work on. And that's one of the crucial aspects of investigation.